All right, YouTube, Facebook, February the 2nd, second job of the day. Had 3 today, so this is my second one, new customer. I was just talking to the mister of the house. He was asking me, do I think the carpets will come clean because he tried to do it himself and didn't have too good of success doing it. So I told him he has nothing to worry about. He was just surprised what I just showed him. All I have done is vacuum this one room down here, just this one room. Still got to vacuum the stairs and 2 rooms upstairs. So doing a total of 4 areas. No, 3 rooms, hallway, stairs. So there's 4 areas in the hall and 2 areas with pet treatment. And you can just see all these stairs, all this hair on the stairs. So I haven't vacuumed the stairs yet. So you see that, guys? So the point of this video, guys, is one of the most important steps I really believe we should not skip unless you know it's been thoroughly done. It's pre-vacuum. Show you guys what came out this one room. All right, guys, so you see that? So you guys, look, all this out of one room of carpet. So you tell me pre-vacuuming isn't important. So see if I can get a few more of these bags. I got dust coming out. Look at all that embedded soil that's coming out. So oh man, that's a lot. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish vacuuming the stairs. So please make sure you pre-vacuum. It's gonna make your cleaner a whole lot easier. And also you don't have to be trying to clean and fight through that dry soil at the same time, especially hair. Any of you guys that's been in this industry for a while know how difficult it can be cleaning with a lot of hair on the carpets. All right, guys, go ahead and hit the stairs and get these carpets nice and clean, make another happy customer. All right, see you in the next one. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay. No problem. All right, guys, part 2. Just vacuumed this loft area, the hallway, and you guys see me vacuuming the stairs. So again, show you guys how much soil came out. A lot of you guys been asking me which Shark vacuum is this. As you guys know, I am a big Shark fan. I love the vacuum, guys. I think they do a superior job vacuuming the carpets. This right here is the Shark 0M, zero maintenance. The unique thing about this vacuum is they have a bar on it where on the bar hair doesn't get caught up, so you can see it's hair debris free. So this is the unique thing about this vacuum. It keeps hair from getting caught up in the brush roll. So again, guys, show you again the vacuum. Now, the only downside about this vacuum, the dump tank isn't as large as the last model you guys seen me use, but still, look at that, guys. Look at that. Full to the max. So again, this is why pre-vacuuming is very, very important. If it's one step you're going to skip, it shouldn't be this one. You might can get away with agitating. You might can get away with dry strokes. But pre-vacuuming is very, very important. And again, that's why I like these vacuums. So I got the stairs, nice pre-vac, get all the hair off the stairs. Don't want to be working against myself. All right, so it's time to get to cleaning. All right, bag number 2. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's the stairs and that one room upstairs. And also still got more. Alright, so you guys see that? The proof is in the pudding. Two large bags of dirt, dog hair, debris. Get this cleaned up. Man, let me vacuum that up right quick. That dry soil.
Close that door back.
You said you just pre-vacuumed yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Well, my son pre-vacuumed.
Your son pre-vac. See that? Yep, all from upstairs and downstairs. Let me pre-vac this all right quick before I get started cleaning. All right, guys, see y'all in the next one.